Hello everyone, welcome to Jhanu TV. 1. What is the primary function of the Indian Forest Service, IFS? A. To manage public sector banks, to protect and conserve the country's forest resources, to conduct scientific research in medicine, to promote tourism in India. Answer. B. To protect and conserve the country's forest resources. 2. In which year was the Indian Forest Service, IFS, established? A. 1947B, 1966C, 1956D, 1972. Answer. B. 1966. 3. Which of the following is a key responsibility of an IFS officer? A. Conducting civil engineering projects, implementing government policies on forests and wildlife, maintaining law and order in cities, overseeing rail transport. Answer. B. Implementing government policies on forests and wildlife. 4. What is the duration of the training program for Indian Forest Service officers at the Indira Gandhi National Forest Academy, IGNFA? A. 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years, 3 years. Answer. C. 2 years. 5. Which of the following acts regulates the forest management in India? A. Forest Conservation Act, 1980B, Wildlife Protection Act, 1972C, Environment Protection Act, 1980, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1974. Answer. A. Forest Conservation Act, 1980. 6. Which Indian state has the largest forest cover as per the Forest Survey of India report? A. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Arunachal Pradesh. Answer. A. Madhya Pradesh. 7. The Indian Forest Service, IFS, is under the ministry of which department? A. Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Rural Development. Answer. B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. 8. Which of the following is a criterion for selecting candidates for the Indian Forest Service, IFS? A. National Eligibility cum Entrance Test, NEET. B. Joint Entrance Examination, C. Civil Services Examination, CSE. D. Common Admission Test, CAT. Answer. C. Civil Services Examination, CSE. 9. Which type of ecosystem is most vulnerable to climate change in India? A. Tropical rainforests, mangroves, desert ecosystems, alpine forests. Answer. B. Mangroves. 10. Which forest type is most commonly found in India? A. Tropical evergreen forests, coniferous forests, tropical deciduous forests, tundra forests. Answer. C. Tropical deciduous forests. 11. What is the main purpose of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972? A. To regulate water pollution, to protect endangered species and their habitats, to increase agricultural output, to promote industrial growth. Answer. B. To protect endangered species and their habitats. 12. Which of the following species is classified as critically endangered in India? A. Bengal tiger, Indian elephant, Great Indian bustard, Nilgiri teher. C. Great Indian bustard. 13. What is the full form of CAMPA, an important fund associated with forest conservation? A. Compensatory Afforestation Management and Planning Authority, Climate Action Management and Planning Authority, Community Afforestation Management and Protection Authority, Conservation of Agriculture Management and Planning Authority. Answer. A. Compensatory Afforestation Management and Planning Authority. 14. Which of the following is not a mangrove species found in India? A. Rhizophorab, Avicenniac, Sal, Soneraceae. Answer. C. Sal. Thank you for watching.